Happy Thursday, tribe. Here's the footage from the blue crab video that got cut off. I hope you enjoy it.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. This is the remix.
Here's a recap.
Stay hydrated. And also, y'all, we have some St. Sebastian Dinners Red. I already popped this cherry just a little bit ago. We're going to be using our Every Hour's Happy Hour glass, courtesy of Miss Cindy Morrell. And I just popped this cherry, so he's warm. I didn't put him in the refrigerator. Ideally, that's what you're supposed to serve him warm. Salute, tips in the house. How's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on? Oh. Why is it hot in here? I'm half tempted to take this shirt off and what's it? I don't really feel like messing with you, but take this shirt off and be sitting in my bra. But YouTube might not like that too much. I needed some of your parents. Children. I need to monitor what y'all kids watching. You can't blame the creator. You can't blame the creator. You gotta watch what your kids are doing. Oh, that's nice. Whew. Oh, she's burp. Good grief. A sneeze and a burp? Oh, she's burp. Oh, I'm filling up, y'all. I'm filling up. Oh, but this is about to stop. So, hold on. Let me restart it now, okay? We'll be back. And we're back like we never left. Let me see. Y'all, I'm thinking about going live this weekend from the vlog channel. What y'all think? Huh? Celebrate the fact that we can actually go live from the vlog channel. Or from the phone, and I'll use my phone. What do you think about that? Speaking of, I think I put a smudge on that with that. I sure did. This lava sauce on that thing. Oh my god. I'm about to clean it afterwards. Hold on, I was working on something, but oh no, I already bit it, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, from Mr. I don't know his name. He has a lot of letters in his name. It's not really a name. MPTQ something like that. Yes, I bit it hard. He always said, "Did you bite it hard?" Yeah, I bit it hard. That was good. Ooh, that was some innards. Well, I think I done dripped all over that table, so I cleaned up. Oh, that looks good. That must be the female. No, that's a male. That's a male. Oh, child, I'm making a mess. A big mess. I'm feeding the girls too, child. I'm feeding the girls. We just keep on eating until we get full, okay? I feel it coming. I want some more innards. Okay. I thought I had some more eggs. Dang it. Guess I didn't. I thought I did. We'll eat mustard. It's okay. We'll eat the mustard. We'll eat the Look at that, y'all. The mustard. I gotta get up. Okay. No, it's too early, so I'll probably come back and smash this a little bit. Getting full. I want some innards. Like, I really, really want some eggs. I thought I had some more eggs over here. I swore I did. I guess I didn't. Dang it. They all empty. I guess I ate them. So last. You just wanted to hear. You just wanted somebody to hear your woof. You just want to hear someone to hear your woof. That's all that was. Ooh, excuse me. You knew that was Grandma. You see, look. See, look. You think you said, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. We're not doing that game. No. No. Who was that kicking it with sensitive? Y'all be having my post notifications on. We tell me I'm true. Some of y'all be lying to me though. Statistics, the Lord said, statistics don't lie. And it showed me how many of y'all actually have your post notifications on. I be coming in, YouTube gonna give me notifications. Well, you can't get notifications if you don't have them. So there's no, don't eat that. You're gonna be in the, girl, you're gonna be in the grass. I understand. Somebody don't want your phone blowing up all the time. Like, see, look, somebody calling me now. Have to call you, get back, okay? Call you right back. We done anyway. All right, guys, we're content in the program. Thank you for joining me on my semi-D-shell semi-D-shell drenched 2-time spicy seafood boil mukbang, king crab, blue crab, whatever the title say, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe and part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on post notification notified of any and every video that we release. Comment below and so that you're there. Share because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or dislike me what's your cup of tea and stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already, check out the adventures of LELE'S. Got your channel? Hold on. Ooh, excuse me. Her link will be in my description box below, as well as NENE's TikTok and Don't Stop. Her link will be in my description box below as well. And our MD3 and BD3 non-couples channel. That link also in the description box below as well. If you are local and like your MD3 lashes done, or you would like to order any MD3 tribe vibes, you don't have to be local for that. All of those links will be in the description box below. Everything you need to know will be in the description box where? Below. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity.
We gonna let the band deal with this.